I haven't filmed for ages, it feels like. Let's get started with the moving vlog. So I'll just give you guys a little basically overview of what our bedroom looks like currently. The box spring is here. We have my pillows, and this is what I use to drink my coffee and have cream crackers in the morning. But yeah, this is the mess, and my wardrobe here is a pile of stuff. I've already moved some of my stuff, well, most of my stuff I should say, and his stuff is basically gone. We still have some few stuff at the bottom, and yeah, those are my go-to hijabs that I need to actually sort that out. But that's the walk-in closet. We'll go downstairs and I'll show you oh, I need to show you what stuff that I'm selling as well. So this is the room here. This is our laundry slash all our bed sheets and whatnot, clothes on here. Things that I'm selling that are yet to be sold. So those are the bowls that I'm selling on Facebook Marketplace. This is the little bag. Yeah, just a lot of stuff. This is another closet with lots of stuff that I need to get rid of. It's not big like stuff, but it's a lot of tiny things that accumulates. So I'm selling those for cheap, really cheap. Check me out there. Anyway, that's my ring light. I'm not gonna sell that. This I'm keeping for obvious reasons. Let's move on. Just random bag here. Let's have a look at the toilet. So the bathroom itself, you can see me here. I just have a jumper on. It's not really an outfit of the day, but I have my pajama bottoms, and yeah, that's makeup bag, soapy things, all other stuff here, brush, etc. My brush. And if we go inside here, there's more bunch of stuff that I need to actually store away because I'm still going to use them. There's hand cream, body wash and whatnot. So yeah, I have to get rid of that. Not rid of that, but store it away. So then we move on to basically downstairs. And downstairs we have this very cute little board that I can change up. All I need is love, family and coffee. And here we go down. Have my airy bag. My bag's here. One of my scarves is just completely in a mess. This is the entrance area, and also have to get rid of that few, like not get rid but store away my shoes and his shoes. And we open the closet and stuff up all the way up has been gone. We stored that away, but we still have our coats, my trainers and his trainers, all that good stuff. Walk away in the hallway. Mess of a mess everywhere. I don't know, that was from the actual car. The washer, dryer, trying to figure the dryer situation here. Let me show you our storage room. If I can actually put the light on. There you go. So this is our storage room. Gotta get rid of those things. This I need. The baby wipes, always in need of that. Our Dyson here. Anyway, what I wanted to tackle today are boxes of stuff here. Lots of boxes. Need to sell that. But what I wanted to tackle today, this is our bin and our organic bin, is the pantry. It's a lot of things that I need to organize, and stuff that I want to keep, stuff that I want to get rid of. Just full of spices from Mauritius that I brought to here, like this. This I am keeping my masala from Mayil, because this is some good stuff, yo. Anyway, yeah, there's so many stuff that I need to actually organize. It's just a lot of things in the pantry. Anyway, I'll do a quick lapse of that so that you guys can see what I'm up to and what I'm organizing. By the way, I got this. I haven't tried this, but it's the Lay's new cheddar jalapeno that I can't wait to actually try. Anyway, on that note, I will get started and you guys can see what I am up to. Spices, 2 boxes of them, because we always buy in stock, so we have srirachas and all the good spices and whatnot. This is the stuff that I'm throwing. This is garbage, this is recycle. For boxes, like spice boxes, as you guys can see, I'm not going to use that. An overview of it all and what I need to tackle. All this is done too, which is great. This cupboard is done completely. Just have to get rid of those bits, the spices, coriander powder, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna wash those jars and just like maybe sell them if people want to, or just give it away. Wash them and give it away. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But this is the entire state of the kitchen currently. Oh, let me put on the light so that you guys can see better. But yeah, oh my god. This is the bottom part. This is my onions, potatoes, and this is extra oil. It's just a lot of things. Those are in that corner over there. Those are cleaning stuff, cleaning supplies. And this is just my coffee pots. Haven't shown you what's in there that I need to tackle. These are all my basically pans, my cooking utensils and whatnot. Oh my god, so much stuff to do. But yeah, so far it's looking good. I need to put that in all my I've emptied that yet, but all my mugs, those mugs I'm keeping because those are the ones that I love. I got them from Montreal or whatever, however you call it. Those are my favorite mugs actually. I bought them one porcupine, the owl, the little deer, and Mr. Fox here. So those 4 I'm keeping. The rest I'm giving away. I'm giving away these piles of plates, my bowls, everything. Let me show you what's in there. My god, so much stuff. So those 2 bowls given away. I have a whole vase up all the way up there. Very nice vase. I actually love them. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna give away the vase. I'm not too sure. But yeah, my Kate Spade coffee mug, traveler thing. Yeah, basically need to get rid of all that. But yeah, this is the state of the house currently. It's disgusting. I'll show you when it actually is nice and clean and smells good. But this is the entire state of the kitchen area. Hello people. So after hours and hours of boxing, there's still a lot of stuff that we're trying to get away. I mean, give away. I will show you how the boxes look like. Still a mess. Okay, so those are the boxes. Transferring stuff from the other box to this box. Giving away. These are just our spices and those stuff that we need. Current situation of the actual kitchen. There's a lot of stuff here, but this cupboard, all these cupboards, these drawers, this is completely filled. I mean, not filled, emptied. So that's good. This table needs some fixing. This is our current sleeping situation there. But yeah, this is recycled plastic, and that's basically paper stuff. And yeah, hello people, day 2 of this craziness. I look like a hot mess. I look disgusting. I need to shower, but I thought I'd come here to show you what we actually have left. Oh my god, we did so much. We did so much. But let me show you how everything's looking. So that's the walk-in closet. Just left with our blanket. Basically, that's how it's looking like. These are clothes that I'm gonna wear. I know it's in a mess right now, but take a shower and then wear that. Just our socks here. That's a bag that needs to go. Febreze, and basically, yeah, this is what we're left with for the master bedroom. And this is the toilet area. We actually put some stuff in, so we need to actually get rid of the boxes. But yeah, this is, and these two needs to go. God, okay, still walking around here and getting rid of some of my stuff down here. I already have like a container for all my toiletries and whatnot. This is me, a hot mess. Like, hello, it's so hot in here. Oof, my mascara just like, ugh, I look disgusting. Anyway, we'll show you more stuff. This is basically decluttered. Just need those things to go. This, oh my god, there's lots of big stuff here. Pile of clothes that need to be washed. And this is what we're looking at. So downstairs, I will show you. That's basically pile of clothes. These are my toiletries. This is basically good to go. We have only 2 big suitcases here that needs to go. Ooh, the sun. And basically hangers. I'm leaving those hangers for them so that they can use. Just need to close that. But yeah, pretty much it. Oh my god, that was so much work, guys. That was so much work, guys. Moving is not easy. Definitely not easy. And we sold most of our furniture as well, because we actually moving. I mean, you'll get to know where I'm moving to soon. Right now, due to the coronavirus going on and all that stuff, it's a bit crazy around the world, so we can't really travel. So we're just gonna be staying at my aunt's. So yeah, that's the update, major life update for now. I'll be doing more YouTube videos, YouTube content, so you'll be seeing my face more on this little screen of yours. Anyway, I will catch up with you guys whenever this is a little bit less of a mess. But downstairs, basically I've cleaned a lot. I've done a lot of decluttering. We'll just need to, I actually decluttered the fridge. I just need to take out some stuff that we need to bring. First thing, we're just gonna get rid of the boxes and then the bags, and then we have 2 days, so they're moving in on Wednesday. Today is Sunday currently, so we have 2 days before they actually have the key, so we should be fine because we did a major part of everything today. So we just need to organize a little bit better, and then we should be fine. My hijab is in a very weird style. I have a note under cap on, and that's okay. I need to cover my face because it's looking not that great. Anyway guys, I will catch up with you guys whenever we move, or I don't even know if I'm gonna be uploading this, but anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace.